So I'm going to go ahead and show you this Genabio COVID-19 Rapid Self-Test Kit for home. This is a single testing kit. So this is what you get. You get your basic instructions. You get your nice little swab for your nose and the container for the fluid that you use to put your swab in after you've swabbed your nose. Then we've got the little packet here with the actual test result panel here. So we're just going to go ahead and get right to it. So the first thing they tell you to do is I wash my hands, so my hands are clean. We're going to open up the swab here, and I'm just going to go ahead, I'm not going to show you, but I'm going to go ahead and swab 10 times in each nostril, trying to pick up as much matter as I possibly can to make the test valid. So swabbing those around 10 times per nostril slowly. Okay, so I've gone in and swabbed each nostril pretty well. So we're going to open up this. Oh, dang it. I'm going to let that stay there so I can open this up easier. That's that. Okay, so here we go. We stick this in here and we stir it around about 30 times. So 1,000, 2, 1,003, 29, 30. Okay, so I've swabbed it around about 30 times. Then they say just squeeze this and kind of pull that and give that a good squeeze so you can get as much matter off that swab as you possibly can to help you get a successful test. So we've done that. We've scraped that off pretty well. We're going to get rid of that nasty swab now. And we are going to close this up. So now that we're closed up, we're going to take our little testing panel, whatever they call that, and we're going to go ahead and do 3 drops right here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to set a timer for 15 minutes and we're going to come back and we're going to take a look at this and see what we get. Okay, so I've waited my 15 minutes, and here we go. This is our test strip. Now, this, my friends, is a positive reading for COVID, which does not surprise me. This is the control line, so you'll know that the test is successful if that control line heats up or lights up with the red line. This is the actual test line, and as you can see, that also lit up. So this is a positive reading for COVID. I have COVID. Yay. So this is further explained here in the documentation. If I were negative, then that bottom line, the T, would be blank. There would be blank, there'd be no coloration on that test area. And as you can see, there's different variations on how you can test positive, but mine is absolutely 100% testing positive for COVID. Now, if that control line didn't light up at all, then it would be a failure. The test would be a failure. You'd have to do it again. But this is how this works. It was really easy. It was pain-free, and it verified what I thought all along.